Acceleration time graph means AT. What is the meaning of acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. What is the meaning of velocity? The rate of change of velocity is called velocity. So, is direct or indirect? Acceleration, speed, and velocity. These three are coinciding with one another. What are their? Acceleration, speed, velocity. So here three graphs are there. First one coinciding with the time. AT graph representation with time. That is called AT graph coinciding with the time. First one. Second one AT graph parallel to time. Third one AT graph represent a straight line. It is always passed through the origin. These are three graphs. First one we observed AT graph. That means this is called the coinciding with the time. AT graph represent coinciding with the time. Means here this is called graph. It will be meet. That means acceleration and time both are coinciding with the zero. That is called origin. But here this is called AB line. This line indicate x-axis. On x-axis we take time. So here some questions are there. What are they? From here to here and here to here, here to here. That means the distance between first point to second point D, and again here to here means some distance D, and all these distances we take a small gaps. These gaps are called intervals. Okay? Means take a small intervals. The body is under uniform velocity with zero acceleration. What is the meaning of uniform velocity? Equal distance and equal intervals. When the object is moving from one place to other place by taking up equal intervals with the equal distance, that is called uniform velocity. And again we observe this second graph, AT graph. This AT graph passes through the time and it is always parallel to the x-axis. Here also on y-axis we take acceleration and x-axis we take time. But here AB is always parallel to the t, time. Acceleration taken on x-axis and time taken on y-axis. The body is under uniform acceleration and variable velocity. What is the meaning of uniform acceleration? What is the meaning of uniform acceleration? Uniform acceleration means equal distance and equal time. When the body is moving from one place to other place by taking up equal distance and equal intervals. Variable velocity means here variable means those two types, acceleration and time, are a y-axis and x-axis. This parallel line indicates the x-axis, means the time graph, and last one AT graph represent passing through the origin, means AT graph represents a straight line. This straight line passes into the origin. So here A also represents y-axis acceleration and time means T represents on x-axis. These both are mixed at a point that is called origin. So straight line will always passes through the origin. Here body will moving with variable velocity and variable acceleration. Both are different. Acceleration and velocity, both are different from third graph.